No.
I'll edit this out. Alright, now press play.
Okay, sorry about the E there. Okay, people are not going to like that.
Sorry to interrupt your program, but this is a worldwide emergency alert broadcast. This is not a test. It is the end of the world. At midnight, Pacific time zone, a UFO will enter the Earth, and the unidentified objects called EHH, extraterrestrial human hunters, will find you. View the following instructions to be as safe as can be. At this time, close and lock all doors and windows so that no EHH can get you. Turn off all the lights in your home. Do not go outside. Hide in a room that has no windows. Do not use your cell phone. Do not look at any reflective objects such as mirrors, TVs, and more. Do not respond to any knocks outside your home. Do not make any noise. Do not attempt to investigate any light or sound in your home. Most importantly, stay calm at all times, because panicking could make the situation worse. Have you viewed the instructions? If you haven't, you are next.